Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to change the watch face of your Vastking Fit M3. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys I will be showing you a tutorial on how to change the watch face of your Vastking Fit M3. So all we have to do guys is again download the Fit application, tap on that one, and as you can see our watch is already connected. So let's go to watch faces, and from there you can see the different kinds of watch faces that you can download. Okay, so there are lots of watch faces guys, so you can choose which one you like. So for us, let's try to change to this watch face, and let's tap on download immediately. Alright, so as you can see in our smartwatch, it is already uploading, and in our smartphone it is now 20%. It's quite fast guys compared to the other smartwatch. Alright, so it says there hello, and tada, our watch face it's already changed. Okay guys, so if you have any questions just let me know, and then if you like this video guys kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Okay, so once again this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.